Hey everyone, welcome back to Memor's blog. Today, we've got something exciting, the Insta36 OG03 dive case. If you're into underwater adventures or just want to take your Insta36 Go3 to the next level, this is the accessory for you. Let's dive right in. Opening up the box, we're greeted with the sleek dive case. The packaging is secure, ensuring our gear arrives in perfect condition. Inside, you'll find the dive case snugly fitted and accompanied by a user manual. The Insta360 Go3 dive case is designed for underwater shooting, adding a new dimension to your content. It's waterproof, durable, and allows you to capture stunning footage in depths of up to 60 meters. The case also enhances audio recording for clear sound even underwater. The box included safe pocket for dive case. I ordered a combination of a dive case and a floating hand grip. I will put the link in the description where I ordered this. Now let's set it up. First, ensure your Insta36 OG03 is clean and dry. Place it gently into the dive case, making sure the seal is tight. Check all the edges to prevent any water leakage during your adventures. Before taking the plunge, carefully seal the case, ensuring it's properly closed. Give it a quick test by submerging it in a basin of water without the Insta36 Go3 inside. Look for bubbles, which could indicate a leak. If everything is sealed tight, you're ready for underwater shooting. The Insta360 Go3 dive case allows you to capture breathtaking underwater footage. The crystal clear images and stabilized video will elevate your content to new depths literally. We also have space here to include an anti-fog for good quality of our videos. And there you have it, the unboxing and setup of the dive case. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or just taking a dip in the pool, this accessory opens up a whole new world of possibilities. For your Insta360 Go3, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Until next time, happy shooting!